Umpisahan natin ngayon by asking a question. Ano nga ba ang fast shipping program na to ng Shopee? Well, this program will be launched starting April 1, 2024. Actually, kasabay nito yung commission fee rates update. Just in case hindi ka pa aware dun sa commission fee update, feel free to check our video regarding that kasi importante na malaman mo yan if you are a Shopee seller. So, going back with the fast shipping program, ito po yung new program ng Shopee to support us, local seller, by recognizing the outstanding shipping performance. Ibig sabihin, ito yung mga seller na mabilis mag-arrange at mag-ship ng orders sa kanila. Paano ka naman magiging part ng fast shipping program na yan ng Shopee? First requirement or criteria nila is of course, you have to be a local seller. And then, second criteria nila, kailangan na ship out mo at least 95% of your orders created from 4 p.m. of the previous day up to 4 p.m. of the current day within the same day. Para mas maintindihan natin kung paano ba kinakalculate yung duration para matagka as fast shipping, kinuha ko tong illustration coming from the Shopee Seller Education Hub. So, mag-sample tayo ngayon. So, sample tayo ng first order natin. Merong umorder sa atin kahapon. Ayan, kahapon ng 4 p.m. So, pumasok yung order ng 4 p.m. And then, meron tayong time ngayon from 4 p.m. yesterday until 4 p.m. today na i-arrange yung kanyang order. And then, once na ma-arrange natin yan, automatic, dapat ma-ship din natin yan the current day until 9 p.m. Kasi yung mga couriers ngayon sa Shopee, they have a maximum pick-up time until 9 p.m. every day. Unless merong announcement na magbabago ng schedule. But every day, they can pick up until 9 p.m. So, gano'n nag-work yung fast shipping. Kumbaga, kailangan kapag pumasok yung order as much as possible within the day, ma-arrange mo siya at mapapick up mo siya. Pero kung pumasok naman siya ng late, katulad nung sample natin dito, pumasok yung order ng 4 p.m. ng hapon. Siyempre, kung ikaw seller, magpapack ka pa and everything, or uwian na ng mga tao mo, hindi na aabot ng within that day, diba? Kaya merong allotted time na binigay si Shopee na if pumasok yan ng 4 p.m. onwards, meron ka namang hanggang the next day until 4 p.m. para i-arrange yan at ma-ship mo rin yung item within that day. I hope medyo malinaw ko siyang na-explain sa inyo, pero if not, feel free to ask questions sa ating video and check this illustration for sure kung maintindihan nyo naman siya. And then last requirement or criteria to become part of the fast shipping program, of course, dapat wala po kayong penalties both sa NFR. NFR stands for non-fulfillment rate. LSR naman is late shipment rate. So, dapat wala po kayong penalties sa mga yan. Also, please note that your eligibility to receive the benefits will be assessed every 15th of the month based on your performance in the last 30 days. Ito yung seller evaluation duration. So, since April to mag-start, yung performance nyo starting February 14 up until March 15, yung pagbabasehan ng Shopee if you can be part of the fast shipping program. If hindi naman kayo makapasa, then you still have another month, March 16 to April 15, para mapasa nyo or ma-meet nyo yung mga requirements nila to become part of the fast shipping program. Next question, paano mo naman ngayon malalaman if kasama ka na sa fast shipping program? So, syempre, merong notification kayong marireceive niyan, automatic, kapag kayo ay nakapasa or na-meet nyo yung requirements ng Shopee related to this program, marireceive nyo yan sa inyong seller account. And then, kung hindi man kayo makapasa, meron din silang advisory or notification para malaman mo naman kung ano yung mga dapat mong i-improve para the next na maggawa sila ng performance review, makasama ka na as part of the fast shipping program. Again guys, you can browse through all the learnings that we have on this channel. For sure ako, maraming opportunities and learnings kayong makukuha. And feel free to share it to those people na possible matulungan. And see you sa ating next knowledge sharing. I hope to see you guys again and again. So thank you so much. Feel free to recommend any topic that you would like me to discuss or present to you.